Nigeria is their Nigeria. Nigeria is not my Nigeria. I listen to me. I'm from southeastern Nigeria. I've never felt anything about federal government. Come to my place, no road. It was our politicians under Governor Greg Obi that constructed that road for many years. Oga, federal government doesn't feed Igbo'S, it doesn't feed me in another state. Oga, what I'm trying to say is that Simon Ekpa, you see, was born out of Biafra war. When Biafra war was raging in the southeastern Nigeria, Igbo'S was, bent on defending himself. Nigerian soldiers, they went to the southeast, killing everybody. These people were defending themselves. So what I'm trying to say is that an idea doesn't die. Idea is based on ideology. Idea is like spirit. It's an abstract thing. You can't see it. It lives inside you. It lives inside every Igbo man. See, let me tell you. Whosoever will die, will die. Biafra remains. Whosoever will like to crucify himself or hang himself should hurry up and do it now. Because emancipation of Biafra is coming. If someone is telling you December this, December that, it might happen August. We are fighting for freedom. Nigeria is not a place to stay. Igbo man is tired. We are done with this kind of arrangement, whereby only one-sided people, only one region will be managing this country, while the other regions are neglected. See, let me tell you, how do you see what happened last year? How did you see it? I mean, presidential election, you are looking at the election conducted last year. Was it the right election? Was it supposed to be like that? Okay, wait, what GSN, Ariwola and Co., what Mary Odele and Co., the judges, what they did, is it the right thing? Do you think that the whole world are not watching? No, what INEC did, that's the right thing, Abi. INEC tried, Abi. Huh? Oga, time has come. Whatever a man does in his lifetime must spring up when he's alive, in his lifetime, or when he goes. Are you listening to me? Nnamdi Kanu, they are holding in prison. Somebody that is coming after Nnamdi Kanu is more brutal. No, let me tell you, that guy is a good man. They should allow Simon Ekpa to be. Simon Ekpa is the one that is rekindling the flame of Biafra so that it doesn't go down. The flame of Biafra is burning. The fire is raging. And Biafra is springing up. Come what it may. Nigerian soldiers, they are wasting time now. What they should have done is that they should have come to the southeast and kill everybody. They are still wasting time. What they did 57 years ago, let them go and repeat it now. Nobody is afraid of anybody. Okay? Nigeria is their Nigeria. Nigeria is not my Nigeria. I listen to me. I'm from southeastern Nigeria. I've never felt anything about federal government. Come to my place, no road. It was our politicians under Governor Greg Obi that constructed that road for many years. Oga, federal government doesn't feed Igbo'S, it doesn't feed me in Anambra state. So I don't care. I owe government nothing. There is freedom of speech. I listen to freedom of movement everywhere. But there's a level a man should go to oppress his neighbor. Everything has expiring dates. If Biafra is their problem, they should prepare to hit their head on the rock. Biafra, MUST must come. Quote me right.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, Simon Ekpa is absolutely right. As a complete Igbo man that I am, and the son of the soil, they do not borrow me. Come to East. No. That's what the Igbo'S call Ohu. I don't know how to describe it in English. I don't know. But what they call Osu, I'm not Osu. I mean, the Igbo'S that is diaspora that listen to me now, watching me live now, they will understand what I'm talking. I'm not Osu, I'm not Ohu. I'm complete Igbo man. I suck my mother breast. Complete. I'm son of the soil. Complete Igbo man from Anambra State. Simon Ekpa is absolutely right. All those our leaders, so-called leaders in the East, they are not a leaders. They are not a leader. What they are doing is after their selfish interest. Tell me the shipment that have brought to the East. Those senators that are making noise, looking for more states. What state? What state are we looking for? Is it not that they break? Now they just break. But they are clamoring for state to add more to state or whatever. They're just making noise for nothing. What they make, they know that they're making is for their selfish interest, for their political agenda. You don't care what the masses are suffering in the east. Where our mothers and fathers and our youth are suffering in the east. Where the federal government of Nigeria abandoned that region for over decades. Abandoned that region. There's no single project coming from federal government of Nigeria as far as that southeast part of the country is concerned. Now, no single thing that federal government of Nigeria have done that part of that region. No single. All those senators and the governors, let them come and tell me the single thing. They can only tell me the second Niger bridge, flyover. Is that bridge? That's what they tell me that federal government of Nigeria have done to east after Nigeria Biafra war. There's no single thing they have done in the east. No single project. The federal government in the east. Nothing. Nothing. What are they calling for? Clamoring for other states. What they're supposed to fight for the state, they don't fight. You see now? The senators and the governors and the House of Representatives that we have in the east, they are clamoring for their selfish interests. Their selfish interest, that's what they are clamoring for. That's what they are crying for. Their selfish interest. Nothing else. We don't need any state. We don't need any state. What we need is freedom. So that they use that one and to disorganize what the good project, the good plan that we have in the east, that we have, the Igbo'S have. The real Igbo'S. I don't believe all those stupid Igbo'S who don't know where they come from. Though the mama tell they say, the papa from here, or papa from Olu, or papa from Anambra. Though they haven't touched this, haven't touched their papa land, haven't know where they come from the east. They wait there and making noise. They don't want to achieve a state to add to Easterners. You see what you are clamoring for now? When we are complaining, where are them? Where are them? Where are them when we are complaining that this cheating is so much? How can only the Igbo'S have only 2 states in Nigeria? They use that opportunity to suppress the Easterners, to marginalize the Easterners. Now they are shouting for the selfish interest. We don't need that. That's not what we are clamoring for now. No. What we are clamoring now is freedom. Whether they give us a state or not. He cannot solve Biafra. Whether they add more states in the east, that way that one cannot solve Biafra. Biafra will surely come to stay. Whether they like it or not. When you took one blood a child, and raise the hand up. When the hand begins to touch, he will surely bring it down. The hand will surely come down. The child will touch the blood. That is it. Who don't need that second state? Whether they give us or not, what we need is freedom. That's what they are crying. What the real Igbo'S are crying for. Because we know what we are passing through in this country. We are in mess. We are in mess in this country. Yes. They don't take us as a human being. They don't recognize us. When you reach the Igbo store to collect the meat, they will say, no, go and share them. Go and share the meat. That's Nigeria for you. Anything concerning the Igbo man, the Easterners, they will say, we share them. And they have collected their own meat. They have collected their own tongue. Reach Igbo man to collect, they will say, no, we share them. Is that one Nigeria? Where do you see one Nigeria? Where they are messing Igbo'S up. And you are telling me that the state that will solve the problem of Nigeria or solve the problem of the Easterners. No. We need to be free. We need to be free. So that we will see challenge. Let them have their country. Let me have my own country. So that we will see challenge. Who know who is who? Who know who is who? Yes. Let them give me freedom. That's the freedom that I claim. I don't need that state. If they like, they give me. If they don't like, I don't want it. But what I need is freedom. Biafra. A state or no state cannot solve Biafra. As a son of the soil that I am, I can never deny my origin. God forbid. Freedom is the key. Thank you very much.
Now, Simon Ekpa is agitating for his right to set free his people in the southeastern Nigeria, and nobody has seen it right. Boko Haram and bandits that have been killing and maiming Hausa people, innocent people in the north. How many times has the chief of defense staff, Musa Muewu, has concluded to go to the north to fight those people orchestrating or sponsoring banditry and terrorism in the north? He has looked and considered beyond our international boundary. Now it is Finland, an advanced country. You want to go to Finland? You want to discuss with the Finnish about their own citizens? Simon Ekpa is because he's an Igbo man.
Although they say they are backing him, that's why he's doing.
They are backing him now because Finland was in this situation Biafra was before. Musa, the chief of defense staff. I don't have problem analyzing Nigerian politics. The reason why I don't have problem is that because I know that most of the politicians, most of the military men in Nigeria are ethnic bigots. They don't squarely serve Nigeria. What they do is that they just, do their best only for their people. Only for the particular extraction where they come from is where they are bending all their political activities, all their political benefits, all the profiteering government business. They just channel it to the extraction, the region where they come from. Musa is a northerner in the military. Instead of minding what is happening in the north, actually what Simon Ekpa is fighting for is quite different from what Boko Haram and bandits are fighting for in the north. Simon Ekpa is a man I know that is fighting for exploitations, over marginalization, persecutions, decimations, annihilation of Igbo man in the southeastern hemisphere of this country. Now look at the way Chief of Defense Staff is handling the situation. He wants to get a marching order from the presidency in conjunction or collaboration with Finland government to extradite Ekpa so that they will cut Ekpa's head. If an Igbo man dies, Hausa Fulani rejoices. If an Igbo man goes down, people from other ethnic extractions, they jubilate. When the dead body of a young dog is being conveyed to the cemetery to be buried, nobody knows how the female dog the bitch called female dog, feels about the deaths of her child. Are you listening to me? See, Musa himself is not squarely serving Nigeria in the military. Anytime Musa hears about Biafra, his mind cuts, because he knows that the transaction between the north and southern Nigeria expired 10 years ago, 2014. Nigeria was 100 years in 2014. The amalgamation, the pact, the agreement between the north and southern Nigeria, amalgamation or merging together, it expired 10 years ago. Why not implement that treaty? That agreement or pact is needed to be what? Sealed off. So that everybody will go. We need a seal. Conclusion of any transaction is called sealing. We need to seal the pact so that southern Nigeria will go, north will go. Any region that feels it is being over, marginalized, depressed, compressed, suppressed, should do what? Disengage from this arrangement called Nigeria. And Nigeria is overdue since 10 years ago. Nigerian political profiteers, people that are making Nigeria dry, feeding fat on our commonwealth, have not seen anything wrong with us staying together in this abyss called Nigeria. ABYSS. Nigeria is an abyss. Survival of the political fittest. They kill and kill and kill and oppress the neglected ones. The people of southeastern Nigeria. Now Simon Ekpa is agitating for his right to set free his people in the southeastern Nigeria, and nobody has seen it right. Boko Haram are bandits that have been killing and maiming Hausa people, innocent people in the north. How many times has the chief of defense staff, Musa Muewu, has concluded to go to the north to fight those people orchestrating or sponsoring banditry and terrorism in the north? He has looked and considered beyond our international boundary. Now it is Finland, an advanced country. You want to go to Finland? You want to discuss with the Finnish about their own citizens? Simon Ekpa is because he's an Igbo man.
Although they say they are backing him, that's why he's
They are backing him now because Finland was in this situation Biafra was before. They serve under USSR, former USSR, current Russia. None of them went to school. They know they go to school. All they know is enter police, enter soldier, become senator, become president, no certificate. That's why they don't know that Biafra now is in a situation Finland was before with the former USSR. You know, Soviet of Socialist Republic with 16 federatives. And all the federatives have dismembered. Ukraine was part of Russia before. They don't know. When you feel tired, you leave. Igbo man is tired of Babu, enmity, hostilities of their Fulani counterparts, people that migrated from Senegambia in 18th centuries and sit down on Nigeria. They sat on Nigeria, they keep on oppressing and suppressing everybody in this part of the world. And nobody is seeing or saying anything about it because all their benefits, what they are doing in Nigeria is political transaction, not democracy. Chief of defense staff, he wants to kill everybody in Igbo land. Come, go to Igbo land, kill. Simon Ekpa is there. He's waxing strong. Oga, Simon Ekpa went to Finland based on scholarship. Did you pass primary 6? What is your certificate? I mean, you are GCE. This is a man that went there on scholarship because of what? Sportive feat, achievement. He did well on the field events, maybe high jump or football or sprinting. But Simon Ekpa is not a blockhead. And when he went there, he became one of their military men again. They enlisted him into their military. And he did well. Are you not a military man? Go there now. This one is not aftermath of what happened at the palace of Nnamdi Kanu in Abia State. You went there, you kill everybody. Nnamdi had to escape. Nnamdi Kanu is another leader that Igbo has got. God, man, you got to set him free from the SS facilities. You are looking beyond Nnamdi now. You are looking at Finland.